Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah, who had always dreamed of becoming a successful business owner. She had a great idea for a product, but every time she tried to get her business off the ground, she faced countless setbacks and obstacles. Despite the challenges she faced, Sarah remained positive and focused on her goal. She refused to give up on her dream, even when things seemed hopeless. At first, Sarah struggled to get investors interested in her business. Many people told her that her idea was too risky and that it would never succeed. But Sarah refused to be deterred. She continued to pitch her idea to anyone who would listen, and eventually, she found an investor who believed in her vision. Next, Sarah had to navigate the complex world of manufacturing and distribution. She faced numerous challenges in finding a reliable supplier, getting her product manufactured to her specifications, and getting it delivered on time. But she persevered, learning from each setback and using her creativity to find solutions to every problem. As her business grew, Sarah faced even more challenges, from competition from established companies to economic downturns that threatened to sink her fledgling business. But through it all, she remained steadfast in her commitment to her dream. Today, Sarah's business is a huge success, and she is a respected leader in her industry. Looking back on her journey, she knows that it was her perseverance and determination that allowed her to overcome every obstacle in her path. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that success often comes not to those who have the most talent or resources, but to those who never give up on their dreams. No matter what obstacles you may face in your own journey, remember that perseverance and a positive attitude can help you overcome them all. So keep pushing forward, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams.